This guide outlines the steps to create a Workspot standalone gateway. First, log into your domain-joined Windows Server machine. Go through the following steps. Choose Add Roles and Features and accept all default settings. In Server Roles, select Remote Desktop Service. Choose Remote Desktop Gateway. Then click Next and click Install. After installation, open the Remote Desktop Gateway Manager. Begin by installing your certificate and importing it. Next, set up your connection authorization policies by creating a new policy. Including a RD cap and RD wrap. Name them and associate them with an Active Directory group. Configure your resource authorization policy, give it a name, and ensure it allows users to connect to any network resource. Accept defaults and click Finish. Next, register your public DNS record for the gateways. Go to Workspot Control, select Setup, then Gateways, then Add Private Gateway. Name the standalone gateway and provide the gateway URI as configured in the public DNS. Choose Active Directory for authentication type and click Add Private Gateway.